Ethics and religion. Religion has profoundly affected human conscious life and moral behavior for over 2,000 years. So, ethics is a code of behavior intended to govern a person's interactions with the world, while religion is a proposed way of living based generally on superstition and power structures. Religion based their ethics on what a person or group root at some past times. So in some different place as the foundations of the religion and the justifications of the mandated code of behavior is what we say the God wants you to do. Religion and ethics. So to act immorally has been seen as essentially disobeying by God. So religion also has dominated the moral landscape to appear to be indistinguishable from morality. So most people identify morality with religion. Outside of religion, secular persons and groups tend to base their code, their ethics, and based outcome interactions of persons, frequently with a golden rule as the core reference, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So, in short, if you are an atheist and do the right thing, you are a good person. For an atheist, virtue is its own reward. So, if you are a theist and you do the right thing, it's incidental to you. Real motivations for the virtue is an attempt to please the God and reap a reward or to avoid punishment. So it is a particularly relevant to remember. So your ethics are the code of conduct by which you believe you should behave, and your morals are how will you adhere to your own ethics. So and that would be all. Thank you.